Hello ladies, welcome back to Living Irving. My name is Latanya. In today's video, it is a very basic, beginner-friendly, all-natural look. It's super easy for anyone starting out in makeup. So what you see is me putting on my foundation, and all products will be listed below. This is the Makeup by Mario foundation. I'm using the color 16C for cool. This matches my skin perfectly. So blend that out with a beauty blender or brush, whatever your preference is. I prefer a beauty blender. Now I'm going in with a black opal foundation stick. It's a cream foundation stick, and I just love these foundation sticks. They're affordable, and because my skin has gone from oily to combination to a little bit on the dry side, I feel as though for mature skin, and just so that nothing too drying settles in your fine lines and wrinkles, you should use a cream foundation stick. This is what worked for me, but you will find what works for your skin type. Make sure that you take your time when you're blending out and contouring. You don't want any harsh lines showing on your face. So ladies, take your time and just blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Yes, blend your life away. But yes, you can see already in just a second how blending this out has already slimmed down the face. So now I'm going in with this hydrating e.l.f. I think it's called the CAMO concealer. It is the brightest one, or close to the brightest one they have. I love a bright under eye on my under eyes. I like it on my forehead, down on my chin, and the bridge of my nose, wherever the sun would shine in and reflect on the face. To me, this just gives you a awakened look and a more youthful look, if that makes sense. Now, this may be completely intimidating to some of you, so you can totally skip this step if you're not into a bright under eye. Now, the rule of thumb with highlighting is to go up a shade or no more than 2 shades higher than your skin complexion. But if you're like me and you like that bright under eye, then go with a lighter shade. You can totally blend this out by just blending it in with your foundation or adding a darker powder. You will see this look come together, so don't be afraid of it. This is super easy. You guys are going to master this. You're going to get this look down pat. It's so easy. So yes, I'm blending this out. Take your time again and blend, 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 blend. Make sure everything is seamless. Now, right now, I'm setting my under eyes with, hands down, the best blurring powder by Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my goodness, this stuff is crazy good. And I'm taking the rest of that and I'm just adding in, setting my face with the foundation. Ladies, do not use a lot of powder on your face. If you have mature skin, it'll make you look a little bit dry, and it can settle in your fine lines and wrinkles. And we want to look flawless, and we want to age gracefully, and we want our makeup and skin to look flawless and natural. So what I'm doing, I just contoured over that foundation stick with a darker powder by MAC in the color dark. It's a mineralized skin finish. And now I'm just highlighting in my favorite points on my face, which is my Cupid's bow on my lip and down the bridge of my nose and on the highest points of my cheeks. This just adds a little va-va-va-voom to the look. You don't have to do this step, but I love me a glow up. I love the glow up. So what I'm doing is taking a brown eyeshadow that's close to my skin complexion. Again, this is a basic nude, natural looking look, and so just, you want it to be close to your skin tone. You don't want to look like you're wearing a lot of makeup, because I'm not going to be wearing lashes today, so I'm trying to make this look as nude, naked as possible. Take a eyeliner. You can use gel. I'm using this e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm drawing a thin line with a little bit of a wing. Because I will not be wearing lashes, I want to add a little bit of drama to my eyes, and a baby wing just elongates the eye and just adds a little extra drama so you won't miss the lashes. So I'm taking my mascara and coating my eyelashes a few times just to make them look a little bit thicker, and then I'm going to add some gel liner by Maybelline in my waterline. I do have big eyes, and adding the liner in my waterline kind of gives that balance of or drama. Excuse me, my throat is dry. Now I am taking my lip liner by MAC. It's in the color Chestnut, lining my lips because I'm going to be wearing a nude lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's one of my faves. And then I'll add lip gloss at the end of whatever choice you want to add. If you don't want lip gloss, you can totally go nude. This is the final look. Leave me a comment. Bye.